Hi, I'm Richard. Today, I want to talk about a question that is no longer hypothetical. Alan Turing asked in 1950, "Can a machine think?" He turned it into a practical test, the imitation game. The problem is that machines can now pass the test. So, I want to propose something Turing couldn't have anticipated, a 10th objection. And my argument is this: passing the test doesn't prove thinking, it proves something much simpler, that is, persuasiveness. Alan Turing's 90-50 proposal. Turing was brilliant. Instead of wrestling with the philosophy of what thinking means, he substituted a practical question. If a machine can fool a human through conversation alone, call it thinking. That was clever for 1950, but we now live in a world where ChatGPT and Claude can halt that conversation. So the original question comes back with real urgency. Does passing the test actually proves anything about cognition? Three fatal gaps. My objection rests on three structural gaps: grounding failure, casual blindness, and intentionality deficit. Any one is enough, together, but they are decisive. First, the grounding failure. When you say fire, you feel warmth, recall smoke, maybe a burned finger. The word is anger in your body. A language model sees a token. Harnath's symbol, grounding problem, and Cyril's Chinese room makes the same point. Perfect rule following produces zero understanding. More data cannot fix this. It is structural. Casual blindness. Pearl's three-level ladder: the level 1 observation, spotting patterns, level 2 intervention, and level 3 is counterfactual reasoning. All current AI lives at level 1. A model that says smoking causes cancer has only learned those words that co-occur. It has no causal model. Pearls prove mathematically that no amount of level 1 data can ever reach level 2 or level 3. The third one, intentionality deficit. Cyril distinguishes original intentionality, that is, genuine references, from derived, which is meaning we assign. Machine outputs are only about something because we interpret them. Dreyfus adds, meaning is bodily. You understand way because you have lifted them. Machine has text. Text is not the world. This is why the Turing test fails. It asks, can a machine deceive? The answer is yes, and will only get better. The question we actually need answer is, can a machine think? That requires grounding, caution, and intentionality. These are not engineering challenges that bigger models can solve. They are mathematical and philosophical limits. Let me end where I began. Turing was exceptional. His nine objections still holds on, but he died before Harnath's grounding theory, before Pearl's causal inference framework, before Searle's work on intentionality, before Dreyfus' phenomenological critique. These are the tools he needed and didn't have. My conclusion is simple. The Turing test asks the wrong question. It asks whether a machine can deceive. The answer is yes. What it cannot tell us is whether a machine can think. Real thinking requires words connected to the world, reasoning about why things happen, and thoughts that genuinely refers to something beyond themselves. Current machines fails on all three counts, not because they aren't impressive, but because impressiveness is not cognition. Thank you.